I'm so stressed. No, I'm gonna watch YouTube. I think I should do that. Alright, let's see. This video seems fun.
I'm in the midst of applying for residency right now. Wish me luck. Grammarly has again been
Wait a minute, I have an idea.
life.
What is up, you guys? It is me, Eric, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to skip unskippable ads on mobile, on your phone, and on a PC. Alright, it's very simple. It is very easy. Alright, and sometimes when there is an ad and then you do the step, it may not give you that option, right? If it does happen, you're going to have to bear through it. Alright, and yeah. Let's get right into the video. Alright guys, as you guys can tell, I'm on this stupid ad that makes me want to punch this guy in the face. By the way, that was a joke. I don't want to do that. And Grammarly is fine. Alright, I just don't like ads. But anyway, so basically, I'm going to show you guys how to skip this ad. Although it does say 5 seconds before you can skip an ad. But we're just going to play a scenario where that's not there. Alright? So as you guys can tell, at the bottom of the left corner, there is this little circle with a little line in it. What you guys want to do is click on that, and it'll prompt you with the option, or like this little black box. Now, what you want to do is press block ad, and then you're basically already done. All you have to do is press X, and you'll already be in the video. Just like the desktop version of YouTube, this one is very similar. All you gotta do is just press the circle in the bottom left corner, and then you'll be prompted with this option. Now, all you guys have to do is just press the stop seeing this ad. And once you've clicked on stop seeing this ad, you're gonna be prompted with this option where it says, are you sure you want to stop seeing this ad? All you gotta do is just press yes. Alright, and then it'll prompt you with options saying the reason why you want to stop seeing this ad. You don't have to name a reason. All you gotta do is just press close, and then the video will just start up. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope this tutorial showed you guys how to skip unskippable ads, and I hope this has helped you guys a lot. If there's any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave a comment down below. And if you guys like this video, guys want to do, just press that like button, and please subscribe. Put down a comment down below which how-to video I should do next. Alright, if there's any like specific thing you guys want me to do, or any specific like tutorial you guys want me to do, alright, just put a comment down below. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, peace out.